Welcome to Sunset Dunes, grand opening day. It's a wonderful celebration of natural beauty and the community coming together in this historic day to preserve this beautiful park forever. Spectacular success for the community of San Francisco. Definitely come out here to enjoy, to be with nature. Fresh air, you got the great Pacific Ocean, you can walk, you can bike, you can hang out, fly a kite. Sunset Dunes myself, and I am a master of kite flying. What? Get the kite, look at that. I'm gonna do some dives. Oh, let's see. Well, besides coming out here to play and have fun, there's actually gonna be all kinds of art happenings and music happenings and workshop happenings like yoga and Zumba. I want to give a big thank you to Phil Ginsberg, General Manager of San Francisco Recreation and Park, for making this day become a reality. We got art, we got music, we got kids, we got bikes, we got all kinds of fun things happening. Everybody's out here to just find recreation and enjoyment. Play ball with friends, walk your dogs. What a beautiful new space that is hopefully gonna be preserved for the future. I'm spinning the wheel. I spin the wheel, and it looks like I got is that a fox? I got a fox, a gray fox.
I don't have kites.
Wow, you're resourceful and one of a kind as you're the only fox that can climb trees. Due to your carefree nature, it's easy for you to call any burrow home. And I got a tattoo of a fox. This is amazing. I love nature. Thank you, Golden Gate National Parks.
What the green space in San Francisco looks like, what our historical coastline looks like, what native species live here. So we have a fun activity to play.
We have nature in our city, and it looks like we're marking with these little pins different parts of the city of where we may find nature. There's a lot of nature in our city. What am I gonna land on? Ooh, a Pacific chorus frog. Where would I find a Pacific chorus frog? I would say somewhere by a lake. I know there's 3 lakes in San Francisco, maybe Lake Merced, maybe Pine Lake, or there's one more lake that I know about. Mountain Lake.
Mountain Lake?
I'm gonna go with Mountain Lake.
Yeah?
Would I find the Pacific chorus frog in Mountain Lake? Am I right? Where is it? And Mountain Lake's right over there. It is! Oh my gosh, amazing!
Good job. High five.
Woohoo!
Golden Gate Park that encompasses the Conservatory of Flowers, the Japanese Tea Garden, and the San Francisco Botanical Garden. And we're out here promoting a lot of our children's programming. So we have our children's garden, Bean Sprouts Family Days, and then we also have our garden camp, which has registration is available if people are interested for having a summer camp for their kids this summer.
Let's get involved. Gardens of Golden Gate Park. Woohoo! So quite fascinating to see the community, the arts, the music, the enjoyment of a natural area here in San Francisco. So right over here is actually the dunes of the beach. So it's a protected area, the snowy plover bird. So here I am with the snowy plover, right? Snowy plover? So how can we take care of you, make sure you live a long time and protect you?
That's what we're doing right now. We've made this space a park. It's for everybody to enjoy and for snowy plover.
We love the snowy plover, yeah! Native California bird that they're trying to restore its habitat, so they kind of roped it off to preserve this gentle ecosystem. A lot of the plants that grow here are invasive, like this ice plant. It does add stability to the soil, and it is quite beautiful when it flowers. Very exciting day in San Francisco. Very exciting day for the community of San Francisco Recreation and Parks for making this dream become a reality.
That's cool.
So here's a rock sculpture that people can actually push, and it changes direction. Push it. It's pretty amazing. I wonder what it feels like. No, it's a real rock. So this is new. This is innovative. Seems like a fun little enjoyable rock to move at the beach. Yeah, beautiful mural octopus showing the Cliff House by another local artist. This is really exciting. Public Library is out here today representing the power of reading. Sunset Dunes going down in chalk right now, making history. Awesome. Remnants of time of San Francisco. This looks like almost 100 years ago of what this beach might have looked like. A lot of stagecoaches, a lot of horses. There weren't any automobiles, and now we just got rid of all the automobiles. You can see all kinds of vendors, like the Sierra Club is out here today representing nature and enjoyment. Dogs everywhere, kids everywhere, happy smiles. What a place to be. Look at this place. This is Sunset Dunes, day one, grand opening. Another beautiful piece of art here.
Keeping it balanced on one leg.
And one of the really cool things about this new park is some of the new signage. You get to share the road with snails and a bird on a skate. There's a gentleman with a tuba. You know, just the usual things you bring out to the park. Yeah. Sunset Dunes, you gotta have a tuba.
All the time.
What kind of music you play?
I play funk and disco.
Really?
Which is the same thing.
Can you turn a little? I want to see the inside of that horn. Oh my gosh, look at the beauty of that, everybody. What do you call that?
It's just disco tuba.
Yeah! Represent! This looks like a little training course for biking for the little ones, keeping them safe, keeping them having a good time right by the beauty of the ocean waves breaking.
This is interesting. Look at the background.
Are in the actual Sunset Dunes. There's the Great Pacific Ocean. You can see the wind is picking up as we're facing the west. It is windy. It's blowing in strong.